Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 8 for your limited liability partnership. This essential annual filing, known as the Statement of Account and Solvency, is crucial for all LLPs. It provides a clear financial snapshot and confirms your partnership's solvency to the Registrar of Companies. You'll need to submit it within 30 days after 6 months from the financial year's end, ensuring compliance and transparency for your business operations. Before you begin, gather all necessary information. You'll need your LLP identification number and the designated partner identification numbers. Crucially, prepare your complete financial statements, including the balance sheet and profit and loss account, ensuring they are audited if required. Also, have accurate records of all partners' contributions and any charges created or modified throughout the financial year. This preparation streamlines the entire filing process. The filing process is primarily online. First, download the eForm 8 from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal. Carefully fill in all mandatory fields, entering your financial data and partner information precisely. Remember to attach all necessary documents, such as the auditor's report if your LLP's turnover exceeds 40 lakh rupees or contribution exceeds 25 lakh rupees. Finally, ensure the form is digitally signed by a designated partner and a practicing professional, like a chartered accountant. Once completed, upload the digitally signed eForm 8 to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal. Proceed to pay the prescribed filing fees online. These fees depend on your LLP's contribution amount. After a successful submission, an acknowledgement will be generated, confirming your filing. Remember, timely submission is vital to avoid penalties, which can be 100 rupees per day, and to maintain your limited liability partnership's compliant status with the Registrar of Companies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.